Hello everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's video, we will learn how to create a home folder for Active Directory users. A home folder is a private network location where users can save their files. It is stored in a shared folder on a file server. When we create a home folder on a file server and share it with the users will be able to access it from anywhere on the network. Administrators could use this centralized area to easily backup the required file. Users from any versions of Windows can access their home folder. Home folders is also known as home directory. We are going to create a home folder for our Active Directory users in this video. We have signed in to this domain controller by using an administrator account. We don't have separate file server, so for this example, we will use this domain controller to host a home folder. If you have dedicated file server, you can use that file server to host your home folder. So let's go ahead, data drive E, and I want to create here home folder, right? I will name it home folder. Name your home folder as a descriptive name, and this folder should ideally be any other drive except C drive. Okay, to go to the properties of home folder, right click on the home folder and go to properties and then go to sharing section. Let's go to advanced sharing here. We have to check this mark, share this folder, and the share name is home folder. I will put $sign in front of all home folder. This will make this home folder hidden, right? As this home folder will be a root folder, so this will be hidden from everyone and every user will have access to their specific folder inside the home folder. So let's add the comment also folder for the department. Okay. So these comments are useful for system administrators. Let's go to permission tab and here we see everyone is added in the group section and we want everyone to be full control. Hit apply and then hit OK. Again hit OK. Now let's go to the security tab. In the security section, let's go to advanced and in advanced click on disable inheritance and select convert inherited permission into explicit permission on this object. Okay, now select the user's permission here and remove them. Now click apply and click OK. Now go back to the sharing tab and copy the network path, right? The path which is used to share this folder. So now we have copied this information to clipboard and we can paste this information in our next steps when needed. Now let's close this, open Server Manager and go to Tools and then go to Active Directory Users and Computers. Okay. Now let's go ahead and create a separate organizational unit to give home folder access. I don't want to protect it as this is for testing purpose. So I am creating finance team OU. Okay. In the finance team OU, let's create a test user here. Test user. Okay. Click next. I'm creating a test user. Let me enter any password here. Okay. Next. Finish. Now we have a test user in finance team organizational unit. We can put here users and group to give access to the folder. Let me create one more user here, right, so that you can understand how we can give access to more than one user. Right? Test user 1, test user 1. Okay, next, finish. Let's go to finance team OU and select test user and test user 1 and then go to properties. Let's go to profile section where we have the option of home folder. Okay, let's go to connect and you can give the right letter here, the one which you want, and then you can paste here the home folder path we have copied earlier. But here the important thing is type percentage, username, and again percentage. When we put this percentage sign and username here, this will automatically pick up the user and give them their home folder automatically. This will typically auto-generate the folder path under root home folder with the user logon name. So every user will have home folder with their name. Now go ahead, click apply, click OK. Home folder was shared. Let's go to finance team and notice the home folder based on the user logon name. Let's go to the users one by one. Let's go to properties. This should automatically pick up test user at the end. Let's see. Yeah, see, test user is here, right, in the home folder. Let's go to test user one and see the properties. Let's go to profile and in the home folder, we can see test user one is automatically mentioned here. So now the home folder pick up the test user logon name from Active Directory and let's go back to the home folder that we have shared just to verify the content of home folder. So let's go to home folder. That's perfect. Here you can see we got two folder, test user and test user one in the home folder. These are the folder with users logon name and this will appear for those users to set up their files into their personal folders. These two folders have appeared here because we have put the percentage username percentage inside the root folder, that is home folder in Active Directory. So now for your understanding, let's also verify the permissions for test user. Let's go to properties. Let's go to security and test user. The test user have full control on the folder test user that is created inside the home folder automatically. So that's perfect. So once the test user or test user one will log in into their computer, their home folder will be in the network location. They could be able to create or delete or perform any action on the folder or the subfolders in their home folder. And basically, their folders and the data inside their folder will resides on the server, file server. That's it about today's simple video. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.